Hello students, today we are starting our lecture number 8. In this lecture we shall discuss search engine optimization, how does it works, SEO and marketing, concept of keywords and plagiarism, article writing, techniques of audience-centric writing, attention-grabbing content to increase traffic on your website or blog. So let's start our lecture. First of all, we shall discuss what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving your website visibility in search engine results. The more visible your page is in search engine, the more business and attention you get. How does SEO work? Bots of search engines crawl web pages to collect information and index them. It is like libraries where books are indexed and a librarian can find a book easily you are looking for. Algorithms go deeper in pages and index their content to find it quickly. Keywords and content quality are the main factors of SEO. SEO and marketing. SEO is the part and parcel for digital marketing because it brings your web pages high in search engine results. SEO have been very important for the last few years and people work on it to have good ranking in search engines. Concept of keywords and plagiarism. Experts try to understand search engine algorithms to bring their web page higher in search engine results. On-page SEO deals with the use of techniques in the development of website. The off-page SEO is the marketing of your web page through content and backlinks. Keyword. Keyword is a word or phrase used to search related websites or blogs on search engines. A right keyword can bring your product or service in front of the right customer or visitor. You should move with the right keyword after complete analysis. The writer should be able to use these words in content naturally. The concept of keyword and plagiarism. There are different tools with the help of which you can find keywords. For example, there's word tracker. You can use it to find keywords. Similarly, you can use Google Ads to find your relevant keywords. If you want to check plagiarism in your content, then there are also different websites and tools which help you to find the duplicate content. One is Copyscape. Then you can use duplicate content checker and so many other tools. The duplicated or copied content is highlighted in red color as it is shown here in these lines. These lines are bold and highlighted in red color, which shows that it is a copied content. And here it shows the percentage of words and how many words are copied and taken from the already existed articles. So it can help you to create a unique content. Article writing using spinning tools. Article writing through spinning tools is also getting popularity in the world of writers. In this way, a writer can get different versions of an article in no time. Articles are written by spinning pre-written articles or replacing words with their synonyms. These articles are less readable and not genuine, but they are indexed in search engines. The writer should review these articles for necessary changes. These shortcuts will not let you grow as a genuine writer. Being an article writer, you should know all the tips, tricks, and technologies used by article writers, but always focus on genuine methods. Now you have listened ChatGPT. It's another tool of artificial intelligence that can help to write articles. These articles are unique, but I would recommend to recheck and proofread it to make it 100% genuine and like human written article. Techniques of audience-centric writing. Always write for audience, not for search engines, because it will make you learn content writing. You need to learn following things for audience-centric writing. You should know the likes and dislikes of your audience because it will help to write for your audience. You should know why your audience visits your blog or website. What makes your audience awake at night? How can you help your audience Your audience did not come to meet or see you. It has come to learn. How can you reach your audience? What do you want from your audience? How will you respond when your audience will resist? Attention-grabbing content to increase traffic. The content of a blog or website should be interesting, that can grab a reader's attention. The content should be about real life and problems, not about idealism. The content of the website or blog should be properly optimized to bring it higher in Google search. So this was our lecture number 8. Thank you.